Sooner or later, the day will come when one of your customers has a change in personnel, and the person that you've been dealing with is no longer there, and therefore you need to change the contact information with your Ouray Sportswear to make sure that future orders go to the right person. To do that, you could simply click on the Customer Details button on your main screen in AX, and then do the customary search protocols such as star, keyword star, and then go to the account, and then go to the upper right hand corner and click on a button that says Setup, and then click on Contact Details, which opens up a box that allows you to fill in contact, phone number, and email address, and then simply click on Save and Close, and you're done. However, if you're like most sales reps, this thought won't occur to you until you're in the midst of entering an order. And it's just as easy to do it at that point. All you have to do is right-click in the customer account number, and from the drop-down table of choices that appears, left-click on Go to the main table form. That will open up the same customer account table, but it will already have highlighted the account that you wanted to work with. Once again, go to the Setup button in the upper right hand corner, click on it. From the list of choices that appears, left click on Contact Details. In the new window that appears, fill in the contact information, and if you need to add another person, simply hit the down arrow key on your keyboard, and that will add a second line where you can do exactly the same thing. When you're done, simply click on the Save and Close button in the upper left-hand corner, and then you can close this table, return to the sales order details screen from which you started, and finish entering all the items that you want to order. That's all there is to it, to changing or adding a contact to an existing account.